Jesus' mighty name. Out. Yes. There's indlebeni zakhe. Come out, you demon. Out. Yes. Out. You demon. Out. Miss.
Lift it up.
You demon, move out.
You demon,
come on,
move
here.
out. Leave here.
Out. Jesus, promise.
Lift it up.
Free, 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 free. This spirit is operating like a snake.
The spirit that appears to you like a snake. Spirit of snake must move away from your life.
Come out. Jesus. Out. My friend. Come. Yes. Wamanaban.
Who are you with?
Wamanaban.
Who are you with?
Wamanaban.
Who are you with?
Huh? Okay, it's fine, it's fine. As long as we're going.
As long as it's from your family.
Lo moya
This spirit,
lo moya wenyoka.
the spirit of snake,
Okay? Lo moya wenyoka ofuna affect amehlo akho.
wants to affect your eyes.
Yabona ngozindlebe ngo.
See, now it's the ears.
Lamba yakhona baye emehlweni.
Their aim is to go to the eyes.
Nina abantu bakholelwa come.
You
Our
people-
life. Yes. Yes. Out. You see? Phindo thembe kubugqirha.
And trust which doctors.
Even ngendlela umbona ehleli ngayo yabona
The spirit
ukuba
that was in
lento
shows you.
inokufa phakathi.
This thing has death in it.
Yabonakala nje. Masiko ubugqirha leyi
Rituals,
one nto kaSatan.
ancestors.
Yes, khulekela,
free.
let's move. Because of time. Siyagodwa ixesha
Ntombi encinci ngubani igama lakho sisi?
Lerato.
Lerato uyaqala uza apha enkonzweni namhlanje. Uvelaphi sisi?
Eastern Cape.
Ndawo ne-Eastern Cape.
Itsitsana.
Man of God, le ntozana incinci mingabi minyaka yakho ntombi yam?
18.
Una 18 years my father. Uvela eTsitsana which is eMount Fletcher. Uyaqala ukuba lapha eCape Town. Uyaqala uze enkonzweni man of God. Uthe xa umthandazele as babe ephethe iphepha yena elithe man of God unendlebe uqekanjelwa indlebe. Kodwa umoya kaThixo uthe ubona umoya wenyoka apha kuye. Zawucela uva kuye ke bandla ba inyoka libone nguman of God ngaba yena yakho ayibona na okanye ephupheni.
Ndake ndayibona last year ephupheni.
Man of God, wayibona umntana inyoka ephupheni imbijele man of God. Enye into umoya kaThixo oyibonileyo amehlo
Oh, imbijele.
imbijele my father.
Kukhona ba ubona inyoka ihamba
see a
pha.
snake
But
moving there.
lena
But
inyoka
this particular snake
imbijele.
was binding her.
Bakwenza kanti
Think what is happening there.
bakwenza kanti
What do you think is
le
happening?
nyoka izoba kuba uhlobo naye.
Is to build a relationship with her.
Funeka accept ayamkele.
She has to accept it
Ngohlobo lobana ngomsi
in a way
kodwa
that
iba
tomorrow
ligqirha.
will say be a witch doctor.
Yabona ba phamba aye
See
bugqirheni.
that before she went to a witch
Ufike
doctor,
nekuqala.
what
Inyoka
appeared
yenzani?
first? A snake. And what did it do?
Not yamluma.
Not that it bites
Lena
her.
is like yamhaga le.
This one is like hugging her.
Yahagile.
This is just a hug.
Imbijele.
It binding her.
Talk to us siyavala.
Xelele.
Man of God okunye wabona wathi amaXhosa umoya obugqirha okuthanda amagqirha kokubiza ubugqirha efamilini. Man of God nansi intombi iyayiconfirma lonto. Mntanami uthi kwenzeka ntoni kokwenu akhona amagqirha nakokwenu usibalele bangobani na amagqirha pha kokwenu efamilini.
Ewe akhona utata omkhulu ozala umama, ibe ngumama ozala umama, ibe ngumama ondizalayo, ibe ngumalume wam. Ibe yisister kamamam.
Man of God, kulamzi ngamagqirha odwa. Ezuchilo my father.
Man of God, as we're praying for our sister here beside us, it's her first time to be at church today, man of God. She's all the way from Eastern Cape, man of God. Man of God, while you're praying for her, you said that the spirit of snake, I'm seeing a spirit of snake, man of God. She's confirming that last year, man of God, she had a dream as if the snake was surrounding itself around her, wrapping itself around her, man of God. And the second thing, man of God, you said, I see that you've written down ear, painful ear, but this thing is leading for you to be a sangoma. She has just confirmed, man of God, right now that there are 4 people in her family who are sangomas as we speak. It is her grandfather, her grandmother, her mother, her aunt, her uncle. They are all witch doctors.
Think of such a child.
Ndinixelela ubana la nyoka izochaphazela amehlo
It's
akhe.
going to
Yes, man of
affect her
God.
eyes.
Uyayiconfirma naleyo man of God. Amehlo akhe uthi awaboni kakuhle abona lizizi. Amehlo mntana.
She's confirming that, man of God, as you said that this snake is affecting her eyes. She's saying that she can't see clearly, she see blurry, man of God.
So yambulela uYesu.
So you give thanks to Jesus.
Ndiyambulela uYesu.
Hlala kuYesu kwendoda.
Remain in
Hlala kuye,
Jesus'
Nkosi.
name.
Come on, shayile sisandla. Hallelujah.